morning, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is SR Academy of Chemistry. Hi, I am Sanjay Roy. So, dear students, today we can discuss a very important topic, that is reduction of aldehyde and ketones. ठीक है, आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले reduction of aldehyde and ketone. It comes under chemical properties of aldehyde and ketone, and the name of chapter is aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid. So, dear students, there are two methods of reduction of aldehyde and ketone. First one is, if you want to reduce aldehyde and ketone into alcohol, this is the one probability. So हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, aldehyde and ketone को किस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? Either we can convert them as alcohol, or aldehyde and ketone is also converted into alkane. हम लोग उसको alkane में भी convert कर सकते हैं, alcohol में भी convert कर सकते हैं. Difference is that in case of reduction to alcohol, the carbonyl group is converted into OH group, that is alcoholic group. But in case of reduction to alkene, this carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group. तो both type of reduction are possible. तो हमको सारी probability देखना है, right? This is general outlook. Now here, if you see the reagent, if you want to convert aldehyde and ketone into alcohol, there are two type of reagent are involved. First one is catalytic hydrogenation, where we can use hydrogen in presence of metal catalyst. Either we can use platinum, palladium, or nickel we can use, or we can use hydride transfer reduction, where we can use two reagents, sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride. तो दो reagent है, either we can use the sodium borohydride or we can use the lithium aluminum hydride. Both reagent can work on same basis, but the mechanism is different. Now, if you want to convert aldehyde and ketone into alkane, we cannot use this reagent. So instead of this, we can use two important, और भी इसमें reagent है. थर्ड reagent हम लोग क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? HI in presence of red phosphorus. ये भी हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं, but it is not included in your 12th standard syllabus, and that's why we can study only these two. These two are very important name reaction. First one is called as Clemmensen reduction reaction. Second reaction is called as Wolff-Kishner reduction. So both are the name reaction. जिसका mechanism के साथ हमको डिटेल में स्टडी करना है, right? तो this is the outlook of the चैप्टर की ये टॉपिक हमको इसमें इस चैप्टर में ये टॉपिक रिडक्शन में हमको ये चार चीजें हमको पढ़ना है. देयर आर मेनी अदर रिडक्शन, बट बेसिकली दिस फोर टाइप ऑफ रिडक्शन, दैट इज catalytic hydrogenation, hydrogen transfer reduction, Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. These four types of reduction are mentioned in your syllabus. तो हमको इसको क्या करना है, डिटेल में स्टडी करना, right? तो this is the only outlook what we want to study. This is the only road map कि हमको आज क्या पढ़ना है, उसका हमने क्या किया, आउटलाइन ली. So let's begin with the first reaction, that is conversion of aldehyde and ketone into alcohol. So how will you convert? Before that, you just take a screenshot of it, or you just pause the video and note down it. So let's begin with the first type of reaction, that is reduction of aldehyde and ketone into alcohol. तो हम लोग पहला reaction देखते हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग किसको reduction कर रहे हैं, aldehyde and ketone को किसमें reduction कर रहे हैं, alcohol में. So what is the expected product in this case? So if you see the expected product here, right? So always remember, aldehyde on oxidation always give primary alcohol. aldehyde को oxidation के तो क्या मिलता है? Here you just see aldehyde on oxidation can give primary alcohol. ठीक है? aldehyde on oxidation क्या मिलता है? We just get primary alcohol, and simultaneously if you oxidize ketone, it can give secondary alcohol. तो ये चीज ध्यान रखो कि aldehyde को oxidation के तो क्या मिलता है, primary alcohol, ketone on oxidation always gives secondary alcohol. Now there are two type of reagent. First one is the metal catalyzed reduction. तो हम लोग देखेंगे first reaction जो है catalytic hydrogenation reaction, ठीक है, where the catalyst is metal. So here we can use H2 in presence of nickel, ठीक है. Now this require heat, means यहाँ पे क्या होगा, temperature required रहता है, right? But if you use H2 in presence of platinum or palladium, यहाँ पे reaction कहाँ पे होता है, room temperature. RT मतलब क्या होता है, room temperature. But we prefer to use nickel because this platinum are very costly, right? The advantage of this reaction is it reduces both carbonyl group and डबल बॉन्ड। ठीक है, इस रिएक्शन का एडवांटेज क्या है? ये रिएक्शन क्या करता है? इट रिड्यूस बोथ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप एंड डबल बॉन्ड। कार्बोनिल ग्रुप को भी रिड्यूस करता है एज वेल एज इट कैन रिड्यूस द डबल बॉन्ड। इफ यू सी द एग्जांपल, suppose we just take one aldehyde C double bond OH, right? This is called as acetaldehyde. When it reacted with H2 in presence of nickel, whenever you can write nickel, you just take the symbol of heat. Means without heat the reaction cannot take place. Now here we know that reduction means what? Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Reduction का definition क्या होता है? Reduction means addition of hydrogen. So in this case we can add hydrogen over here. So in this case this H2 molecule can break this pi bond. ये pi bond को break करेगा, HH add करेगा, तो what product we can get? CS3 CH2OH. Right? Am I right? CS3 CH2OH. Now this is called as primary alcohol. Why it is called primary alcohol? We know the answer, because OH group attached to the primary carbon. This carbon is called as primary carbon. So the compound operated is a primary alcohol. If we take another example, suppose we just take this one, ethyl methyl ketone. We can undergo same reaction in presence of Raney nickel and heat. What happened there? This H2 molecule here break this bond and HH can add it. Now here we can get CS3 CH2. Just look at here. Here CH, here CH3. Now CH having OH. Now this is the example of secondary alcohol. Now why it is an example of secondary alcohol? OH group attached to the secondary carbon, right? So these are called as catalytic hydrogenation. We take another example, CS3 CH double bond CH CH2 C double bond OH, right? Plus H2 in presence of, suppose where we cannot use the nickel, where we can use the platinum. यहाँ पे क्या लिखते हैं ना 298 Kelvin, नहीं लिखे तो भी चलता है, you just write RT. RT stand for room temperature. Here also, now what is the role of this catalytic hydrogenation? We know that we already explained it. It reduces both carbonyl group and double bond. So we can require two molecules of H2. First molecule can break this bond and second molecule can break this bond, right? So here we can get CH3 CH2, right? Single bond CH2 CH2 CH2OH, right? So in this case unsaturated aldehyde is converted into saturated alcohol. इसमें convert हुआ, unsaturated aldehyde is converted into saturated alcohol, right? So this is the first, that is catalytic hydrogenation. इतना चीज तुमको याद रखना. There are two type of reagent. H2 in presence of nickel, it require heat, right? And H2 in presence of platinum and palladium, the reaction carried out at room temperature, but most preferably we can use H2 in presence of nickel, where we generally use Raney nickel, right? So here this point is very important. I'm sorry, this point is very important because यहाँ पे पता चलता है, because some of the limitations are there, just like sodium borate and lithium aluminum. इसमें कुछ ये है limitations है कि they cannot reduce double bonds. We can see later, right? So basically you can see here the H2 molecule or the catalytic hydrogenation can reduce both the carbonyl group and double bond, right? So I hope you can understand the reaction about the catalytic hydrogenation. What happened there? You just take a screenshot of it or you just note down it, right? If you face any difficulty, please feel free to call me, okay? So just take a screenshot of it. Right. So next example we can see that is reduction of aldehyde alcohol, where previously in previous reaction we can see about the metal catalyzed reduction. Now in second half we can discuss about the reduction by metal hydride, and it is also called as hydride and transfer reduction, right? So for that we can use two type of reagent. First one is sodium borohydride NaBH4, and second one is lithium aluminium hydride, that is LiAlH4, where lithium aluminium hydride is a powerful पावरफुल कंपेयर टू सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट। अब इसका रीजन अगर हम लोग देखना चाहें तो रीजन इज दैट इन केस ऑफ लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड, इफ यू सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड, LiAlH4, राइट, तो ये LiAlH4, this is the correct structure of lithium aluminum hydride. If you take the sodium borohydride, PHHHH, here minus, here Na plus. So this is the exact structure. Now, why lithium aluminum hydride are more powerful reducing agent compared to sodium borohydride? The exact reason is that in case of lithium aluminum hydride, हाइड्राइड आयंस कैन बिकम्स फ्रॉम मेटल। ये हाइड्राइड आयंस जो आ रहा है ये मेटल से निकल रहा है, तो मेटल्स आर मोर इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव कंपेयर्ड टू हाइड्रोजन, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस बॉन्ड कैन इजीली ब्रेक, एंड ये हाइड्रोजन है, इट कैन टेक विद इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर एंड इट कैन रिमूव एज H minus. So this is called as hydride ion, and metal can easily lose hydride ion, जबकि in case of sodium borohydride, boron is a non-metal. Aluminium क्या है यहाँ पे? Aluminium is a metal, but boron is an example of non-metal. And if boron is non-metal, it cannot release hydride ion that much easily as the sodium borohydride. That's why that was just lithium aluminum hydride. That's why lithium aluminum hydride is a powerful reducing agent compared to sodium borohydride. Right? इनकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज को याद रखो. First one is both lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride does not reduce isolated double bond. Isolated means what? If double bond are present in a single form, it is called as isolated. एक ही डबल बॉन्ड है, तो isolated double bond अगर हम लोग देखना चाहिए C double bond C, this is called isolated. तो isolated double bond cannot be reduced by either sodium borohydride or lithium aluminum hydride. सोडियम बोरोहाइड्रेट और लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड आइसोलेटेड डबल बॉन्ड को रिड्यूस नहीं करता है। इफ अनसैचुरेटेड अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन अगर रहता है, ठीक है, सपोज वी टेक द एग्जांपल CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH, this is the product of aldol condensation. So अगर मैं इसको क्या करता हूं, रिडक्शन करता हूं, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड ओनली रिड्यूस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप। ये जो लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड है, इट्स ओनली जस्ट रिड्यूस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, इट डज नॉट रिड्यूस डबल बॉन्ड, ठीक है। तो लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड ओनली रिड्यूस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, इट डज नॉट रिड्यूस डबल बॉन्ड, जबकि सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड जो है, सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड कैन रिड्यूस बोथ डबल बॉन्ड एज वेल एज कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, राइट। तो इतना चीज तुमको याद रखना है जब भी हम लोग ये रिडक्शन रिएक्शन करेंगे, याद रहेगा। तो क्या याद रखना है कि लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड ओनली रिड्यूस कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, इट डज नॉट रिड्यूस डबल बॉन्ड एट ऑल, ठीक है। सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड कैन रिड्यूस डबल बॉन्ड एज वेल एज कार्बोनिल ग्रुप, बट व्हिच डबल बॉन्ड? व्हिच इज अटैच्ड टू द एडजेसेंट टू द कार्बोनिल ग्रुप। कार्बोनिल ग्रुप के एडजेसेंट में जो डबल बॉन्ड है उसी को सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड रिड्यूस करेगा, इट कैन नॉट रिड्यूस आइसोलेटेड डबल बॉन्ड, राइट। एक लास्ट पॉइंट, सेपरेट प्रोटोनेशन required in both the case, ठीक है। यहाँ पे दोनों केस में, both the case, दोनों केस में सेपरेट प्रोटोनेशन स्टेप हमको अलग से करना पड़ता है, बिकॉज हाइड्राइड आयन H माइनस देगा, वी मस्ट ऐड H प्लस आयन, दैट्स हमको सेपरेट वो प्रोसेस करना पड़ेगा, राइट। सो लेट्स सी सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स हियर। इफ यू टेक द एग्जांपल CH3 CH2 C double bond OH, this is the one aldehyde, right? When it reacted with LiAlH4 followed by H3O positive, now it can give product CH3 CH2 CH2OH. क्या मिला अपने को? अल्कोहल। Which alcohol? Primary alcohol. क्या मिला? Primary alcohol. If you see the mechanism of this reaction, you see the mechanism of reaction. So in this case, in first step, the CH3 CH2 C double bond OH, first it can react with, now here we just take the lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4. This LiAlH4 can release H minus ion, and that is called as hydride ion. this hydride ion can attack on this carbonyl group because we know that this bond is polar. This electron density will be shifted towards the oxygen. What we get after this reaction? CH3CH2CO minus HH. Right. Now followed by protonation, H plus ion. O minus can take H plus ion and it can be converted into CH3CH2CH2OH. Right. I hope you can understand the reaction. So first there is a hydride ion transfer. Lithium aluminum hydride can release hydride ion. This ion is called as hydride ion. Overall, here also in this case we can get primary alcohol from aldehyde because this is the aldehyde. We just take the second example where we take ketone. Suppose we just take acetone. Acetone on reaction with NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Now what happened there? It can release H minus. H minus can attack over here. This bond will be shifted over here. Now CH3C, O minus, here CH3. Here we can add H. H plus and protonation. Where this O minus can take H plus and it can be converted to COH HCH3. And I think this is called as secondary alcohol. Right. So in this way, primary aldehyde on a reduction can give primary alcohol, ketone on reduction give secondary alcohol. Both the mechanism are different. Here it is called as hydride transfer reduction. So I hope you can understand the complete reaction with their mechanism. Right. इसके हम लोग और भी example करेंगे. Before that, you just take a screenshot of it. Now you just take this three example. ये तीन example को हम लोग solve करके देखते हैं. Right. In first case, we just take the alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखो double bond है. Now if you react with this reaction is carried out in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. अगर हम लोग इसको lithium aluminum hydride पे कर रहे हैं तो क्या मिलेगा? Now we know that lithium aluminum hydride only reduce carbonyl group. ये double bond को reduce करता है कि we see the point. You just recall it. It does not reduce the double bond. It only reduce the carbonyl group. So here we can get the product. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? On reduction. यहाँ पे HH हमको लगाना है. एक hydride ion रहेगा और ये क्या रहेगा? प्रोटॉन. कैसे आया? We know the mechanism, right? What is the product expected? CH3 CH double bond CH CH2OH, right? Means unsaturated alcohol. क्या मिला? Unsaturated alcohol, right? और ये क्या है हमारा? Unsaturated aldehyde. Right. But if you use the sodium borohydride, you know that sodium borohydride can reduce both double bond as well as carbonyl group. तो इसको भी क्या कर देगा? Reduce कर देगा sodium borohydride. Now what is the expected product? CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिला अपने को? Saturated alcohol. क्या मिला अपने को? Saturated alcohol. Right. तो ये बात clear हुआ? Because we know that lithium aluminum hydride only reduce carbonyl group, but sodium borohydride can reduce carbonyl group and double bond. कौन सा double bond? That double bond must be conjugation with the carbonyl group, that is alpha beta double bond. Now here lithium aluminum hydride ये क्या करेगा? ये carbonyl group को reduce करेगा. यहाँ पे H minus, यहाँ पे H plus दे दो. Right? What will be the expected product here? Benzene as it is present रहेगा, then here CH2 CH3. Ethyl benzene we can get. Sodium borohydride, it can reduce this one also and it can reduce this double bond also. So we can get cyclopentanol. What we get? We can get cyclopentanol. ठीक है. Right? तो this is the example. So इस प्रकार से हमको examples को properly solve करते आना चाहिए कि हमको actually product क्या मिल रहा है. We just take one more example. यहाँ पे हम लोग और एक example लेंगे. Suppose we just take CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 CH3, right? nickel in presence of H2 heat, LiAlH4 in presence of H plus ion, NaBH4 in presence of H plus ion. What will be the expected product here? You just recall one of the point I can explain previously, right? तो यहाँ पे हमको क्या प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा? Nickel in presence of H2. What will be the expected product here? Right? तो इन तीनों केस में expected product क्या है? In first case, you know that this double bond is a isolated double bond, and you know that lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride does not reduce isolated double bond. So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? No reaction. Here also no reaction. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी रिएक्शन नहीं आएगा, but here we can get CH3 CH double bond, sorry, CH3 CH2 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 CH3, right? Because sodium metal catalyzed reduction, it can reduce all type of double bond. सारे टाइप के डबल बॉन्ड को क्या करता है? रिड्यूस करने का काम करता है. I hope you can understand the complete reaction, right? Previous reaction I just rub it, तो you just वीडियो को क्या करो, तुम लोग पीछे ले जाओ और वहां पे जाके वापस स्क्रीनशॉट तुम लोग लेके रख सकते हो. If you understand this, please take a screenshot of it. So this is all regarding the reduction of aldehyde and ketone into what? Alcohol. So always remember, aldehyde on reduction can give primary alcohol, ketone on reduction can give secondary alcohol, right? So always remember, two type of reagent we can see. First, hydride ion transfer. First, metal catalyzed reduction, where it can reduce double bond as well as the carbonyl group. Second one is a hydride ion transfer reduction, where there are selectivity. Both sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride does not reduce the isolated double bond, but lithium aluminum hydride does not reduce the conjugative double bond as well as conjugative double bond, but sodium borohydride can reduce conjugated double bond as well as carbonyl group, right? Lithium aluminum hydride only reduce carbonyl group, right? Lithium aluminum hydride is more powerful compared to sodium borohydride. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce varieties, but यहाँ पे भी उतना लिया, it can reduce aldehyde, it can reduce ketone, it can reduce the acid, it can reduce the ester, it can reduce the acyl halide and even alkyl halide. But sodium borohydride unable to reduce acid and ester. That is also another fact, but this is not present in your study. That's why we are not taken that one. So I hope you can enjoy my videos. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, that is SR Academy of Chemistry, and also share with friends, right? One request, dear students, you just watch complete video. कुछ लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा देख के बंद करें. Don't do that. You just watch complete video, and if you like my video, please comment and share. Thank you and have a nice day.